Hi, I'm Paul Earp here at Paragon Plastics. Currently got 70,000 square feet in this facility here. We have 8 thermoformers, we have 10 CNCs. 4 of those are 3-axis or 5-axis. We have a fully self-sufficient engineering tooling group. So for us, we offer fabrication parts. So we do acrylic starboards, ABSs. We also do thermoforming and assemblies. So we can do something as simple as a tub or a bait well, all the way up to a tackle center, a shore assembly, wider range of products. So at Paragon, we believe in the personal relationship. We believe in relationships, not customer-vendor relationships, right? We believe in partnerships. So we create these partnerships with all of our customers, and we grow upon that. That's how we've been successful here. I really think it's that personal relationship with our customers, the way we take care of them, the way we respond to them, and I think that's key, right? When they need something, we jump in and we get taken care of for them. We pride ourselves on that. And so that's what we always want to do. I think that's how we've grown to be successful as we have been. Anybody out there that's in need of a good quality thermoform product, also any fabricated part to complex assemblies, give us a call here at Paragon Plastics. We'd love to take a look at it for you.